Step inside the world of luxury and innovation, where hotel experiences are being transformed by cutting-edge gadgets designed to wow guests and elevate comfort. Get ready to explore the top 10 hotel gadgets that are changing the way we stay, relax, and enjoy modern hospitality. Top 10. The Hotel Bike by PureFix Cycles. The Hotel Bike by PureFix Cycles stands out with its striking black frame and neon lime green deep dish wheels designed to turn heads during the day. But the real innovation comes at night. The wheels feature solar-activated paint that absorbs sunlight and emits a bright green glow for up to an hour after sunset, enhancing both safety and style. This bike is part of the GLOW line and is available in 4 sizes from 50 cm to 61 cm, catering to a wide range of riders. Top 09. NEO Home Robot. NEO is an autonomous home assistant built to simplify daily chores. Using intelligent scheduling and autonomous operation, it runs cleaning tasks while you focus on other activities. Its expert mode allows remote professionals to guide NEO through more complex tasks, teaching it to perform safely and efficiently. The robot's soft 3D lattice body and tendon-driven actuators ensure gentle movements, protecting furniture, pets, and people. NEO navigates the home independently, charging itself when necessary, and offers voice and app-based controls. With built-in AI, vision, and memory, it provides context-aware responses and adapts to routines, making it a versatile companion in hotel suites or luxury apartments. Top 08. Cara Pure 2 Air-to-Water Dispenser. Cara Pure 2 transforms indoor air into clean, alkaline drinking water, ideal for reducing reliance on bottled water in hotels. It captures humidity and uses condensation combined with a clean air intake to generate water on demand. The system includes ultrafiltration, removing microplastics and contaminants, ensuring safe and high-quality water output. After filtration, the water is alkalized to enhance flavor and provide a smoother taste. Compact and efficient, Cara Pure 2 offers a sustainable hydration solution for hotel rooms, conference spaces, or wellness centers, providing fresh water instantly without the waste associated with single-use plastic bottles. Top 07. Epson Life Studio Flex Plus Projector. The Epson Life Studio Flex Plus is a compact projector designed for immersive viewing in hotel suites or shared spaces. Its 4K Pro UHD technology delivers sharp images up to 150 inches with 1000 lumens of both color and white brightness, ensuring clear visuals even in dimly lit rooms. Integrated Bose-tuned stereo speakers provide balanced sound without needing extra equipment. Built-in Google TV allows direct access to streaming platforms such as Netflix and Disney+, while EpicSense 2.0 technology automatically adjusts focus, alignment, and color. Top 06. Amazon Basics Fire-Resistant Security Safe. Hotels and hospitality spaces benefit from the Amazon Basics Fire-Resistant Security Safe, a 2.1 cubic foot safe designed for both durability and accessibility. Constructed from 14-gauge steel with 5 locking bolts, it provides strong defense against unauthorized access. The safe is fire-resistant, enduring 20 minutes at 1,200 Fahrenheit, protecting important documents and valuables. A programmable electronic keypad allows quick entry with a backup key for emergencies. Its adjustable interior shelf accommodates electronics, documents, or jewelry. The safe's reliable performance and ease of use make it suitable for hotel rooms, administrative offices, or guest. Accessible, secure storage areas, combining safety with practicality. Top 05. Coway Air Mega 50. The Coway Air Mega 50 is a compact air purifier capable of covering up to 500 square feet, making it perfect for hotel rooms, lobbies, or private suites. Its sleek cylindrical design blends easily into any decor while providing efficient air purification. The system allows easy adjustment of airflow and lighting to match guest preferences. Running in quiet mode, it ensures undisturbed sleep and comfort. A clear display shows real-time air quality data, while the filter replacement is straightforward every 8 months. Coway Air Mega 50 ensures that hotel environments remain fresh, healthy, and pleasant. Top 04. Air Diffuser. The Era diffuser brings high-end fragrance technology to hotel rooms and large common spaces. It disperses scent evenly across areas up to 1,000 square feet using advanced technology to avoid concentrated or uneven aroma. Fragrance capsules, crafted by master perfumers, last up to 600 hours and are 5 times more durable than standard options. A companion app allows scheduling, reducing waste, and optimizing scent for occupied spaces, extending each capsule's life up to 60 days. Top 03. Home Run Pet Pet-Friendly Space Heater. The Home Run Pet Space Heater doubles as a heated cat bed, providing comfort for pets in hotel rooms or pet-friendly suites. It has adjustable heating levels, allowing separate control of the room, heater and pet bed, optimizing energy use. The all-aluminum pet bed base ensures warmth in winter and breathability in summer. Its built-in filtration system captures pet dander, dust, and airborne particles, improving air quality. The combination of warmth, safety, and clean air makes this a practical addition for hotels accommodating guests traveling with small pets. Top 02. Dakota Bathroom Health Tracker. Dakota is an innovative toilet-mounted health monitoring system that analyzes human waste to track hydration, digestive health, and potential irregularities. Using spectroscopy, optical sensors, and AI, it measures stool consistency, color, and patterns, comparing them to personalized baselines. The system ensures privacy, observing only the bowl interior while fingerprint-enabled. Remotes allow multiple users in shared hotel suites or wellness centers. Data is presented through a companion app, offering insights on hydration and bowel trends over time. Top 01. IA Smart Light. IA Smart Light is an artistic lighting solution that combines illumination, visual art, and reflective surfaces. It uses commercial-grade RGB LEDs in low-voltage panels, capable of running for 50,000 hours while consuming minimal energy. The mirrored stainless steel surface acts as a daytime mirror and transforms into a vivid light display at night. IA Smart is controlled via Bluetooth, allowing customization of colors, animations, and integration with other smart devices. Hotels can use it in suites, corridors, or social spaces to enhance ambiance, create dynamic visuals, and offer an interactive aesthetic experience for guests. If you enjoyed this tour of futuristic hotel tech, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gadget discoveries.